Welcome to GovClarity, where we break down complex government procedures into clear, easy-to-follow steps. Please note, we are not a government agency. We aim to help you navigate these procedures with confidence, but always verify information through official government sources. You'll find both our complete guide and official links in the More section.
Buying a home with traditional financing can feel impossible with today's housing costs. Many veterans don't realize they qualify for VA home loans, offering significant advantages over conventional mortgages. Nearly 30% of eligible veterans never use their home loan benefit, despite potential savings of thousands of dollars. Even veterans who know about VA loans often misunderstand key benefits like the zero down payment option and no mortgage insurance requirement. Today, in part 3 of our 4-part series, we'll guide you through accessing the powerful home loan benefits you've earned through your service. VA home loans open doors to home ownership that might otherwise remain closed in today's competitive market. These loans have helped over 25 million veterans become homeowners since 1944. With conventional loans typically requiring 5 to 20% down payments, the VA's zero down payment benefit saves veterans an average of $42,000 on a typical home purchase. VA loans also eliminate the need for private mortgage insurance, saving hundreds of dollars monthly. Interest rates for VA loans are typically competitive and often 0.25 to 0.5% lower than conventional rates. For example, on a $350,000 home, a veteran using a VA loan might save over $30,000 over the life of the loan compared to conventional financing. Veterans can reuse this benefit multiple times throughout their lives, unlike many first-time homebuyer programs. The benefit never expires and can be used decades after your service. An important benefit is that VA loans are assumable, meaning a qualified buyer can take over your loan if you sell your home. This can be a powerful selling advantage, especially when interest rates are higher than your original loan rate. Let's review what you'll need to qualify for this valuable benefit. To qualify for a VA home loan, you must meet service requirements and obtain a certificate of eligibility. Active duty service members qualify after 90 continuous days of service during wartime or 181 days during peacetime. National Guard and Reserve members need 6 years of service or 90 days of active duty service during a national emergency. Surviving spouses of veterans who died in service or from a service-connected disability may also qualify. You'll need your certificate of eligibility to prove to lenders that you're entitled to this benefit. The property must be your primary residence, not an investment property or vacation home. You must have suitable credit, sufficient income, and a debt-to-income ratio typically below 41%. Your debt-to-income ratio is a crucial factor in loan approval, and while the VA is lenient, each lender sets their own requirements. While no minimum credit score is set by the VA, most lenders require scores of at least 620 to 640. The VA has no maximum loan amount itself, but loan limits may affect whether you need a down payment. In 2025, most counties have a loan limit of $766,550, but this may change. For loans above the county limit, you'll need a down payment of 25% of the amount exceeding the limit. If you previously used your VA loan benefit, you can restore your full entitlement after selling the home and paying off the loan. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process of using your VA loan benefit. The process begins by verifying your eligibility and obtaining your certificate of eligibility. You can apply for your certificate of eligibility online through va.gov or through your lender. Next, find a lender experienced with VA loans, as not all mortgage companies have the same level of expertise. It's important to shop around as rates and fees vary significantly between lenders, even for the same VA loan program. Even small differences in rates and fees can save you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Get pre-approved before house hunting to understand your budget and strengthen your offers in competitive markets. When house hunting, inform your real estate agent you're using a VA loan so they can guide you accordingly. VA loans have specific property requirements focused on safety, sanitation, and structural soundness. For condominiums, the property must be on the VA-approved condo list, so check this before making an offer. Not all condominiums are VA approved, and this is a critical step that many veterans overlook when house hunting. VA loans can also be used for manufactured homes, providing additional affordable housing options. Once you find a home, make an offer and include your pre-approval letter to strengthen your position. After your offer is accepted, your lender will order a VA appraisal to determine the home's value and ensure it meets VA standards. The VA appraisal is more thorough than conventional appraisals and includes a minimum property requirements inspection. This appraisal protects you by ensuring the property is safe and that you're not overpaying. If the appraisal reveals issues, the seller must fix them before closing, or you can negotiate repairs, cancel the contract, or pay for repairs yourself. Your lender will process your loan, underwrite it, and prepare for closing once the appraisal is approved. At closing, you'll sign final paperwork and receive the keys to your new home. The funding fee will be added to your loan amount, unless you're exempt due to receiving VA disability compensation. Here's what to expect regarding timeline and costs for your VA home loan. From pre-approval to closing, the VA loan process typically takes 30 to 45 days, similar to conventional loans. Getting your certificate of eligibility can be instant online or take up to 6 weeks by mail. Pre-approval typically takes 1 to 3 business days once you've submitted all required documentation. The VA appraisal usually takes 7 to 10 business days to complete, which is slightly longer than conventional appraisals. For 2025, the VA funding fee is 2.3% for first-time use and 3.6% for subsequent uses. This fee can be reduced to 1.65% for first use if you make a down payment of 10% or more. National Guard and Reserve members may pay slightly higher funding fees than regular military. Veterans receiving VA disability compensation are exempt from the funding fee entirely, providing significant savings. Closing costs typically range from 3 to 5% of the loan amount and can be paid by the seller up to 4% of the purchase price. You can also include the funding fee in your loan amount, requiring no out-of-pocket payment. Other costs include a credit report fee, title insurance, recording fees, and potentially discount points to lower your interest rate. Many closing costs can be negotiated or rolled into your loan to minimize out-of-pocket expenses. Let's review common mistakes to avoid when using your VA home loan benefit. Many veterans make costly mistakes when using their VA loan benefit. The most common mistake is not shopping around for lenders, as rates and fees can vary significantly between VA-approved lenders. Another frequent error is assuming you need perfect credit, when VA loans typically have more flexible credit requirements than conventional loans. Some veterans believe the VA loan process is too complicated or slow, which is no longer true for most experienced VA lenders. Many mistakenly think they can only use their benefit once, not realizing it can be used multiple times throughout their lives. Some veterans make offers on properties that clearly won't pass VA appraisal requirements, leading to delays and failed transactions. Veterans often overlook the option to have the seller pay some closing costs, which can significantly reduce out-of-pocket expenses. Another mistake is not checking if you're exempt from the funding fee, as many qualifying veterans pay this fee unnecessarily. Some veterans don't realize they can refinance an existing conventional loan into a VA loan to take advantage of better terms. Many veterans aren't aware of the VA interest rate reduction refinance loan that allows them to refinance existing VA loans with less paperwork. Some veterans assume they can't qualify if they've had a foreclosure or bankruptcy, when VA loans have more forgiving policies for these situations. Now that you understand the powerful benefits of your VA home loan entitlement, it's time to take action. Start by checking your eligibility and applying for your certificate of eligibility through va.gov. Next, research VA experienced lenders and gather documentation including proof of income, employment history, and bank statements. For specific questions about your entitlement or eligibility, contact the VA directly at 877-827-3702. Veterans with certain service-connected disabilities should also explore the Specially Adapted Housing and Special Housing Adaptation Grants. These programs provide funding to help disabled veterans purchase or modify homes to accommodate their disabilities. Native American veterans living on federal trust land should inquire about the Native American Direct Loan Program. Download our comprehensive guide in the More section below. It includes detailed information, worksheets, and VA loan application checklists. Remember, your home loan benefit is just one part of your VA benefits package. Explore our companion videos on general benefits, healthcare, and education to access all the benefits you've earned through your service. Links to all parts of this series can be found in the More section below. Taking advantage of your earned VA home loan benefit could be the key to achieving affordable home ownership in today's challenging market.
Thank you for watching GovClarity. Remember, you can find our complete guide and all official links in the More section. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. We're here to make government procedures easier for you every step of the way.